All right, this video is for anybody who maybe needs some clarification on what's due tonight and then over the weekend, Monday, and then of course upcoming Wednesday. So basically, I'm going to cover them in that order. This is mostly for those who are in section 8 because I forgot to start the camera recording until about halfway through class. So the things I covered at the beginning of the class, which would have been the explanation of this, wasn't recorded. So first off, we're going to go with the GE 150 assessment practice exam. So this is like the practice before the actual final exam, the final reflection exam. So what this is we've got again the reading that was done today, the what is academic writing, the common assessment essay. This is just here if you need to review it. It really isn't a closed book quiz, it's partially open, meaning that you can go back and reference this if you need to. The exam has 4 questions, and you're going to write each of these, and I just remembered to download it. That'd probably be the best thing, because then you'll have the question right there. So it's 4 questions. You're going to spend at least 5 minutes on each of the following, and you can spend as much time as you need to answer each question, but 5 minutes at least. So 5 minutes answering, what do I already know about myself as a writer, and what do I already know about myself as a reader? This is more of an assessment of figuring out who you are as a writer and a reader. And that's key, because that will help you to assess how you've changed over the semester, both as a writer and a reader. So this is key to start with this. The next one is talking about the nature of writing. That is at the beginning of the semester. What do I think a writing class will teach me? What do I already know or believe about what writing is? So when we talk about some things nature, we're talking about what it is. Like, for example, a bird, its nature is to fly and have feathers and eat worms and other bugs and things like that. So what is the nature of writing? Or in other words, what is writing to me? Might be a better way to rephrase it. The next one, let's actually move this one down just a smidge so it's on the next page, is at the beginning of the semester, what do I know or believe about the craft of nature? That is what writing does. So going along with the metaphor, what the craft of a woodcutter is, or a carpenter, is that they make things out of wood. They design furniture and other things out of wood. So what does writing do, basically? So since the craft of a woodcutter is what he does or she does, what does writing do for me? What does writing do? Or how do I use writing in my life, academically or otherwise? And then the last one, let's see how much space we need to give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. I'll give enough space between each of them. How do, let's rephrase this. How do I think right now the writing I've already learned in high school and elsewhere, and might learn either in this class or in other classes, impact my work in other classes, in future jobs, and in other aspects of my life? Okay, so you're just going to take 20 minutes, 5 minutes for each, and just answer these questions. It's pretty straightforward. Each of these questions are questions you're going to have to re-examine and re-answer at the end of the semester. So that's key to want to do them now. Okay, just to kind of give you a place to look back on.